In the polis, there were important temples from an architectural point of view, like the Ionic Temple of Marasa and the Doric Temple of Marafiotti. Marasa was one of the most important sacred areas of Locroy, and the temple visible from each place in the city and coast was the symbol of the power reached by the polis. The Temple of Marasa is one of the few temples in Ionic style present in the Magna Graecia. Unfortunately, we don't know the divinity to whom it was dedicated. Maybe Aphrodite venerated with a cult different from that of Centocamere and southern Marasa. The hypothesis of a temple dedicated to Aphrodite could be confirmed by the presence in the temple of the Ludovisi throne. Its reliefs represent Aphrodite's birth from the sea waves. The altar of the Ionic temple was at east, at a distance of about 16 meters. Its position depends on the fact that, according to the Greek rituals, the population cannot access to the temple, so the sacrifices happened outside. On the side of the temple there are steps, but they were not foreseen in the original design. They were added in a successive phase. The temple is considered one of the most spectacular architecture in Locroy, and in all Magna Graecia, also for the quality of the stone that comes from the caves in Syracuse. At the external part of the urban districts, but not far from the walls, there were other sacred areas. The sanctuary of Manella, devoted to Persephone, the sanctuary of Grotta Caruso, near a water source and devoted to the nymphs, the sanctuary of Demetra in Parapezza, the sanctuary of Aphrodite in Centocamere.